All right, hey, welcome from Livermore. Another beautiful day here, May 18th. Let's check out our Cabernet Sauvignon vine. Get up here real close. All right, let me zoom out for a second. Nice, beautiful growth here. Let's find our bud. Now our vine growing, our green parts right here. This is where our original bud was right here. This is our shoot. Like last week, we were just above this first row of wires. Now we've grown all the way up and the tendrils have grasped onto the second row of wires right here. And eventually they'll get turned, they'll get pulled up. The bottom row will get pulled up to there. The top row wires will get pulled up to here. Let's go around this side. Again, this is our Cabernet Sauvignon. It's planted in 1999, and they were about 3 years old at the time when they were planted. So really, it's about a 28-year-old vine now. And again, we got our trunk, cordon, trained, spur pruned. And so let's look at this one here. This is a good view. So the cordon, and so you see this big knot right here. These are old spurs, actually, right here. This is a spur. A spur was down here coming off the original cordon. Just over the years, they get fatter and fatter, grow, and each year we kind of prune a little bit higher. You see some old pruning cuts right here. Let's focus right there. Some old pruning cuts. Another pruning cut right there, and it just keeps going. And these would get fatter and fatter over the years and turn into a big knot like here. But to a good example of what will happen is if you get to a point where you want to extend the vine or maybe replace a cane because it's damaged, let's focus, it's damaged, or you just want to expand the plant, what you can do is right here, this is a replacement cane. So we had the original cane, cordon, and they decided this year to allow this one green shoot, which was last year's new shoot, which grew grapes, right? And then we allowed this to wooden over the winter. We didn't cut it off here, which we could have cut it off here and would have been a spur with a couple shoots on it, right? Or buds on it. Or here, we allowed it to become a replacement cane. So it hardened over the winter, and now it's going to be a new extension of that cordon right there. It's going to get over years. If this was to be allowed to grow for 25 years, it'll look something like this in that time frame. But now look at all these grapes growing. These are the soon-to-be flowers, turning into flowers here. The little berry-looking things, but they're not. They are baby flowers right here, and these will continue to grow. All right, just a beautiful day here. Let's see. All right, so come out and see us in Livermore, taste some wine. We'll see you.